we have just acquired this lovely Peugeot 3008 Allure diesel. It's in absolutely fantastic condition throughout, drives absolutely superb. It's got a lot of extras, it's a lot of car for the money. Rear privacy glass. We've left the tow bar on, but that can be removed. We've left it because caravan season coming up and that, but the guy just used to tow very, very odd occasions. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's a dual opening one. You've got extra space in there as well. Interior is in lovely condition, half leather. Even got the mats in the back there. We've got these sun blinds, panoramic roof which has a blind as well, electric windows, electric mirrors, leather seats. Just start the car up. It's got a heads up display there, so you can see how many miles an hour you're doing on that. Got satellite navigation, all the media pack, air conditioning, climate control, cruise control as well. That's there, that's just for your radio settings and that. Really is in lovely condition. We don't have many of these and I'm quite impressed. I think it's got Bluetooth as well. Yeah, got Bluetooth set up there. Radio. It's done 99,223 miles. At DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.